Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. So today we have a video number 6 of this playlist. In today's video I'm going to share with you the prop firms, how you can pass also, and which prop firm is best for you. So before I start it, if you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe it, and if you didn't watch my previous videos, make sure you watch this before you start this video playing. Why? Because previous videos I give you 3 strategies with also how to backtest free in TradingView, also the checklist for funded accounts, what fails you in trading. These are most important part that you shall watch first before you watch this video. These strategies is fit with your time and with your routines. Okay, so make sure you watch that video till the end, and I hope you will watch this video also in the end step by step, and you didn't miss any part. So first of all, I will share with you how you can pass any funded account. Very simple step. Okay, so you shall add this thing in your checklist. Okay, it will be easy for you. Let's suppose you have a 100k account, you buy an 100k Prop Firm account and you want to pass that one. The first thing you have to do on the first trade, you have to risk 1% in order to gain 2%. Okay, and in the second trade, what you have to do, you have to risk 2% in order to gain 6%. So that is 1 to 3. In the first trade, 1 to 2 are okay, and in the second trade, 1 to 3 are. This is the first strategy. Okay, the second one is you have to you don't have to reduce or increase the size. 100k account, first trade 1% risk, 3% profit. Second trade also same, 1% risk and 3% profit. Okay, third trade 1% risk and 2%, like this. So 8% will be your come. If you buy FTMO, then you have to take 4 trades. If you have like another prop firms which I will share with you, the trusted prop firm, you also know them, they are well known prop firms. So by that you only need an 8% on a stage 1. In stage 2 you need 5%. So by 2 trades you can pass that account. So it's not a big deal. In a month you can pass a prop firm, one prop firm 100k account. Is a simple. You just have to get a good setup with you that align with your checklist, that align with your strategy, and you can pass that prop firm. Okay, now let me show you the 3 prop firm which I prefer you to buy it. The first one I always share with you, the OFP. The OFP have now become a wide range prop firm in this industry. They offering multiple type of accounts. Before they have only the instant classic, now they have 1 2 3 4 5 extra additions on their website. As usually before instant classic, you can see they have a customizable account size, a drawdown and a profit split. On base of that, the money will be changed here. Okay, so the main thing is consistency score on this account, the instant classic. So if you select a 4%, your maximum daily drawdown, so if maximum daily drawdown 4%, it will automatically become double for overall drawdown. Okay, 4% here, then it's become 8%. If you put 3%, it becomes 6. If you put 5, it will become 10. Okay, and profit split will be 80, and currency monthly, on demand, bi-weekly, it will be change also the price. Okay, They have special offer. These I didn't recommend it because the consistency ratio is 10%. Okay, so this can you take 215 with this. It's simple one. Okay, I always prefer go with the one phase or two phase account. It will be build your confidence and let you know that where are you standing on your trading. Okay, instant light, they have 30-day account. In 30-day they have no consistency ratio, but profit target will be 5% and 1% rule for per trade. Okay, so you must read their trading rules. Any prop firm, before you start trading on any prop firm, you must read their all rules. Okay, and now we will go to the second prop firm is a Maven. They are very cheap and very reliable and a very good prop firm, which I'm sharing with you. I will give you the link of description of all this prop firm in the list in my description, so make sure you join from there. They have a 500k standard, okay, with MetaTrader 5 MT5, and also in OFP they have also MetaTrader 5. Okay, one step challenge $90, 22 two-step challenge on 22, and it's all are refundable on third withdrawal. Okay, they have very simple rule like 8% as I told you, and 5% on the second. Okay, and static drawdown on standard. And if you go to a 100k account, that also a cheap, not expensive like FTMO or another. Okay, and you go for a one step $380, but they have a trading drawdown and daily drawdown is 3%. Okay, here 3-step challenge they have less profit target, but the maximum drawdown and daily drawdown is very less in percentage. Okay, so they have instant also, but I don't recommend because in instant, you know, consistency score and a trailing drawdown, which is a very huge drawdown for this prop firm. Okay, now we will go to the third prop firm is a gold funded trader. They also have a good prop firm with 13 million plus in payouts, and they have 250,000 traders. So they have also one step, two step, three step, and instant. So don't go for instant, they have same consistency score and rules and like that. Always go for two step, goat or pro. Okay, the account of 100k will you see 274. It's a very cheap, very cheap, you will find on the internet. Okay, go for pro T22 with the step 1, step 2. Okay, and the 500k is also in $17. It's a very cheap one, so I will give you the link in the description. And for newbie there is also a code first GFT. Okay, I'll give the link in the description. Make sure you join from there. Before you start trading, you start reading their FAQs, their trading strategies, their news trading rules, and whatever there is. Okay, make sure rules you read their R rules. Okay, so you will get to understand in this prop firm what are the rules. Okay, so last but not least, I mentioned multiple accounts. What does it mean by that? What is my habit on the prop firms, that I don't trade on a single. I use OFP and Maven, Goat, the 5%. Okay, so what happen, I take trade on one trade only in a day with 1% risk in one prop firm. If I lose there, I close that, I change my prop firm to another one on same day if I want to take trade, and if they loss, I'll change it the third one. Okay, if they profit, change. In a one day, only one trade you shall take on your prop firm. You will see by that rule 1% risk you follow on that rule. Okay, with the risk reward, either it a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, you will not lose that account. If you take 2 trades or 3 trades in a day and 2% you lost, you will see the drawdown become increase and you cannot pass the account. So this is my simple rule. I always take 3 prop firms at least in the time. So if I lose on first prop firm, second trade I take on that another prop firm, not from same prop firm. Okay, so I hope you understand this thing, and make sure you join these prop firms by the link in the description. Until next time, be safe.